how do I get there?
So we are trying to find this spot in Utah that I've just been seeing all over Instagram, and it looks amazing, and a lot of people aren't listing the specific spot. However, we were able to get a lead here, which we know the general area is Hanksville, Utah. All right, so let's start off here. Hanksville. That brings us to this general central area of Utah. This looks like the spot that I saw on Instagram. So this must be close to Hanksville. So we're looking for something nearby. That's not quite what we're looking for. That looks super cool, but this isn't what we're looking for. It's not quite it. This looks very promising. Let's go ahead and drop down to street view here. See if we can see anything. I think this is it. All right, guys, pack your bags. We're going to Hanksville. So logistically for this trip, it looks like I'll have about 2 days in the area to get this shot. However, there is a winter storm warning. So we have Thursday and Friday, and this winter storm warning is going to hit on Friday. So that means probably realistically, we're looking at Thursday as being the only day to get out here and get this shot. So with the logistics mostly in place now, let's make this happen. We're gonna pack, we're gonna head over to Utah, and we got 1 day to get this shot. The goal is to get to Factory Butte at sunset in hopes that the sun comes out. But we're gonna stop by a few places along the way. So let's go to Utah. Didn't think I'd be packing my snow pants to go to the deserts of Utah, but here we are. We have arrived in Grand Junction. We are making our way from Colorado here, going to Utah. A little bit of snow here this morning, and that's kind of what I'm really afraid of, because I'm afraid that we are gonna get snowed out. A lot of these roads are basically off-roading. If it's raining, all the mud and all the dirt and all this stuff, you won't be able to get through. So we are at Canyonlands National Park now, where we're gonna stop here, and it's snowy. It's very cold, and I feel like I'm dressed for Iceland all over again, except we're in Utah, which is not where you expect to be freezing. Let me flip the camera around here. Look at this. But it's cold. It's just slightly snowy, but look at that view. It's brick.
Oh, that guy's slowing down. That guy's bottleneck.
All right, so this is one of my bucket list spots here. The sun came out, and look at this road. Like, it's just absolutely wild just how it winds down the canyon, and look how crazy that is. We're at the Green River Overlook, and the weather is just taunting us right now, because now it's super sunny, and the rest of our time here is not going to be like that. So it's kind of unfortunate. For now, we will take what we can get. So let's go enjoy the overlook.
That's crazy. Oh my goodness. Now that's a canyon, I tell you. Wow. Well, that's really cool. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, he's stopping. Oh, he's going.
Off you go.
Oh, he stopped.
Come on, Bessie. That was good. That was a good burger, let me tell you. The cows are fresh from outside, I can tell. It is good.
We are out here at Capitol Reef National Park, and weather is doing okay. This is the only day that we have out here. So this is actually going to take us near Caneville and Hanksville and like that kind of whole area. So we're hoping to beat the storm, because the storm's coming in later tonight, and then especially tomorrow. That just means that this is it. Today's the day. So let's see how this goes. All right, so we are out here in Capitol Reef National Park doing a hike, and Melissa pointed out this really crazy rock texture. I don't know what to call it exactly, but it's kind of like shiny in the slight sun that we have here. So it looks like it's water, or that the rock is wet and stuff, but I don't think it is. So it's just actually some crazy texture or something. I don't know what it is. It's pretty wild. We made it to the Narrows. Does look cool. Oh look, there it is. Hopefully the weather keeps cooperating. We'll see. All right, the off-roading begins.
Here we go.
Yeah, this is why they say you should not go if heavy rain because this road is like very hard to go.
Oh, everyone look on your left for NASA. Oh, there is the NASA stuff.
David, stop.
Oh, fully stop? Okay. Wow, there's people living in there? That sucks.
So this place is kind of what people call Mars, Utah. As you can tell here, just the colors and the landscapes and everything is just crazy. So we're gonna go and explore it. And you can tell that it's getting a lot cloudier than what it was before when we were at Capitol Reef National Park. For now, let's go to Mars. So I've been walking around here for a little bit now, and I'm trying to find this place that all these Instagram pictures are always taken from. It's supposed to be around here. I just don't exactly know where it is. Really hoping that we can find it. Oh, that looks steep. A little hard to get up because foot traction is not very solid, as you can tell. Is this it? Oh, whoa, actually. Is this it? Oh man, this might be it. Let's take the drone up. Let's find out if this is the spot. So we just finished filming here on Mars, and I don't know if you can see this in the background right here. This is Factory Butte, and that is our goal for today. So we are gonna make our way over there now, and the weather is getting worse. It's getting windier, the clouds are rolling in, and there's some rain far off in the distance. I'm not sure if you can quite tell over there, but now I'm getting a little worried. So we're gonna rush our way over there and see what we can get. So let's hope for the best. Oh, this isn't good. This is not good. Here comes the snow.
Yeah, I'm taking a video.
Oh, we just passed it though. Okay, woo, we're over.
We were going so slow, the speedometer was reading 0 miles per hour.
Okay. Yeah, that was easy.
All right, you ready for this? Ready for this? Here, let's spin this around. Look at this. This is the moon overlook. This is crazy. Look at this terrain. So there's a specific spot that everyone who comes here and takes pictures at. And I'm trying to find that spot. So we're gonna walk around a little bit and let's see if we can find some stuff. But wow, look at this. This is just breathtaking. Like, look how gray it is. That's, okay, that specifically is the spot. You can see the little path that people walk out on. So this is the path. I don't actually know if I'm gonna walk out there. I might just take a picture of myself and Photoshop myself in. Let's see how I feel. Yeah, this is the spot. I don't know if I want to go down there. Look at this. This is crazy. So we made it to the moon overlook, and the spot out there basically is absolutely stunning. It's a little too windy here for comfort to be able to go out there and stand out there, but we got to experience it, and just this otherworldly landscape. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah, time to go check out our final stop here at Factory Butte, and we'll call it a day. But it's not out enough to actually make it. Yeah, you need like strong enough shadows. This is it. This is Factory Butte, the thing we made our trip out here for. The only problem is it's cloudy. It's kind of raining. It's the clouds are basically preventing all the the sunlight from the setting sun, which is kind of over here-ish. from giving us those dramatic shadows, but you know, it is what it is, and either way, just glad to be out here. Let's bring the drone up and let's wrap this thing up. So that is it. That is our adventure out here in Utah at Factory Butte, and it wasn't perfect. It wasn't the ideal shot I was looking for, but hey, it was still a really cool adventure. Glad we were able to see it. It's freezing right now, super windy. It's probably like 20 degrees, so somewhere in the 20s, and then with wind chill and all that because there's a blizzard coming in tonight. Weather aside, it was an awesome adventure. So glad we were able to check this thing out and see all these other amazing sights along the way. And yeah, thanks for joining me for this adventure, and hopefully we'll be out here for another one. Hopefully redo this one because I still really want to get that dream shot. It's all about the adventure, right? All right, sun has just risen. It's 7:30 in the morning, and we are hiking to Delicate Arch. Going with the crew. A little rainy, but it's all good. We're enjoying this.
It's brick.
It's brick.
Cement.
It's concrete.
Oh.
It's windy.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, look at this. Our final stop here at Arches National Park at my favorite place, Double Arch. It is raining and some people are still climbing the rocks, which is actually pretty scary because the rocks get pretty slippery, but look at this, just absolutely insane. We're gonna go get out of the rain now. Let's go get something warm to eat and let's make it out of here. Check out our view here. It's not terrible for a budget room. New York deli experience. Wow, there's so many people. What? How crowded it is. It literally just opened.
Come on. Oh, nice. Come on. Oh, so close. Oh. Wow. What the heck? He won 2. Yeah. Nice. How that happened? There you go. Nice. Nice.
It was crazy. We won some stuff. David says it was a eat or be eaten world.
Oh yeah, for sure. Oh my goodness, I was holding people back, trying to fight off for the claw machine just to get an attempt.
Fought the kids.
Yeah, oh my goodness.
Looks amazing.
Look at that.
That looks good.
Actually, maybe they did have a great place in Caesars.
Looking good.
Hey, cops. Oh, that's so cool. Thanks for joining, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.